In this video, I'm going to show you how to import invoices into QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the settings cogwheel top right, and from here you want to click on import data under tools. Whenever you do so, you want to select invoices from the drop-down menu and click on import. Now here you have a bunch of options. You want to select whichever one you want, but I do think most of you are going to select upload a file, so click on here and click on upload. Then you want to go and select your CSV file here. If you don't have it ready yet, you want to go and download the sample and of course just fill the sample out. And whenever you do that, you can just of course save it and then browse it over here and import it with the click of the open button. When you do this, you can also select if you want to add new customers in there. So if there's any new customers, you can import those automatically and click on next. Then you have to map your fields. So you basically have to match the QuickBooks fields to CSV column heads. Now mine actually of course matched automatically, as you can see, and that is because I actually used the template provided in the first step over here. Okay, so whenever you do that, of course you can match them if you didn't use the template. So find whichever of course column header you used for invoice number, select it and click on it and stuff like that. And then of course you need all the check marks to actually have it good. Okay, now whenever you've done that, you have to also select the invoice date format. For me, it's gonna be, I think it's this one, so day, month, year. Now if you don't select the correct one, like for example this, of course you'll see next step is gonna say it's not the correct format, so you'll have to go back and change this. I'm using this one, so I'm going to click on that and click on next. Select your tax rates over here and then select next. And then whenever you've done that, as you can see, it's going to say that you'll import this many invoices and this many new customers. Click on create or complete import. Wait for a few seconds. This is going to start loading, and there we go. It says nicely done. You've successfully imported invoices into QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.